Prepare your taste buds for a flavor explosion. This version Peach Yuzu Smash perfectly balances the sweet, juicy notes of real peach with that tart, zesty kick of authentic Japanese yuzu, all powered by the crisp, sparkling refreshment of Sanzo. It's a non-alcoholic sparkling water that doesn't skimp on bold, beautiful Asian-inspired flavors. You can find Sanzo at Whole Foods and on Amazon. Delicious. Hi, my eaters, Judy here from justtoday.com, and today I'm here to share my version Peach Yuzu Smash. Here's the quick drink recipe on the screen, and or just in the description down below. Here's the link. Anyway, so we're gonna have diced peaches, a handful of mint, 2 ounces of honey water or simple syrup, and a handful of ice, and 1 can of Sanzo Yuzu. Sanzo Yuzu is the best flavor to complement peaches in a version peach smash. Its tart, floral, and aromatic profile enhances the peach's natural qualities while providing a bright, refreshing contrast. If Sanzo Yuzu is not available, Sanzo Calamansi would be the great alternative for a similar tart and zesty flavor. Now, they're available at Whole Foods and Amazon. Now, I would recommend to get the variety pack from Amazon. That's just my recommendation. I have the link in the description down below for y'all to try it out also. Anyway, top it off with our peach and mint as a garnish. Cheers. And oh boy, enjoy. And remember, friends,
expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters.
See you in the next video.